Welcome. In front of me I have AMAZFIT Active Max, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. So first thing we need to do is to open the Zepp application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Actually, let me reopen it so we can see the home page. And usually once you open the application, you will see the home page. Now we can tap on device, and on the device page, you should see your Active Max watch. Now, scroll down, and at the bottom, you will see the Unpair button. Tap on it. Here we can select the data to retain, basically. Because if you unpair the watch from your account and your phone, it will basically reset itself to the factory default settings. But you can choose some data to retain, like local music, maps, App Store apps, and stuff like that. And once you select them, or you don't want to select them, basically check it according to your preferences, then tap on Unpair, tap on OK, and Unpair. You will see this message, and also this pop-up about the settings. Basically what we need to do is to go to Bluetooth settings on our iPhone. So let's find the settings icon and tap on it. Then go to Bluetooth. And here you will see the list of my devices, and on it there should be AMAZFIT Active Max. Tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, and tap on forget device. And once it disappears from the list of my devices, you can close the settings and the Zepp application. And that's how you unpair this watch from the iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.